Hello, everyone. This is Juanita the Sonista, and I'm glad that you're here to join me for our end of the month giveaway. Our end of the month giveaway is called Sewgo, and every last Saturday of the month, we're giving away different gifts like sewing notions, patterns, fabric, gift cards, and even Cash App gifts to one lucky winner. But as our Facebook group grows, we're going to give out multiple prizes to some of the winners as long as they participate. Now, to be entered into any of our end of the month drawings uh, and to be able to win one of the items of the week, usually it's going to be an item of the week, like I said, or a Cash App gift or um, a sewing notion, pattern, fabrics, whatever it may be. In order to win that, you'll need to participate in the Sewgo. Okay, the Sewgo is our new social media engagement game, and all you need to do is follow the instructions given on the Sewgo post to be entered to win. Okay, the Sewgo posts are posted in our Facebook group, which is called All Things Sewn. Okay, now who's ready to win? We have 4 participants this month. Okay, that's one more than last month, and we're hoping that this snowballs and begins to grow so that there are more participants. But the instructions for this Sewgo giveaway this month was to share a sewing term. Our sewing terms are also posted in our Facebook group, and when you shared the sewing term, you basically just gave the definition of that term, and then the second thing you were supposed to do is make a separate post, either showing an example or a demonstration of that term. So you would be able to either post a picture or a video in our Facebook group. The third step to being entered into this drawing was to subscribe to my YouTube. Watch one of the videos and like it, and also make a comment on that video and use the hashtag Sewgo. Okay, and then you were supposed to come back to the original post that's posted in the group and type done. Okay, once everybody that was going to participate had participated, the post comments will shut off at 11:59. They'll be shut off at 11:59, and upon shutting that post off, anybody that was on that post that had basically typed done and made sure that they had completed all of the other steps, then they are being entered into this drawing today. So that's how we ended up with 4 participants. And those 4 participants, I am going to go ahead and I'm going to type right here or copy and paste because I had those numbers. Now, if you notice, let's say Lakeisha Hendricks, she has her name here twice, and that's because we did a early entry so that they can get a second entry onto the wheel today. And she and Rachel and Daphne were all on that post. So they got 2 spots on the wheel. Okay. Deborah only has 1. Okay. So you never know when I'm going to post something in the group and if you're going to be earning a extra spot on the wheel or not. So make sure you pay attention to the post that's in the group. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to click the spin to see who our August Sewgo winner is. And then I'm going to reach out to that individual and find out which one of the gifts that they would like to receive. Now there's 3 gifts up for grabs. Those 3 gifts are one of them was our yo-yo maker, okay? And the other one was, I believe it was our ruler handle that kind of suction down on your ruler so that you're able to cut on your cutting mat using your rotary cutter. And then I believe the other one was the bobbin holder, spool holders that fits in the top of your thread. But you can view all of those. They are posted in our group. Okay, so they're going to get a choice of one of those. So we're going to go ahead and click this here, and we're going to wait till the wheel comes to a complete stop before we know who the winner is, and then we'll get that little pop-up telling us who the winner is. And so this is a fair spin, you guys. So here we go. Good luck, ladies. All right, congratulations. August Sewgo winner, and I will be reaching out to you to find out which one of those item of the week gifts that you would like shipped to you. Thank you so much, ladies, for participating. And until next month, September, make sure you're watching the posts, finding out what those items of the week are, making sure that if there's any other posts that I'll be making for you to earn a spot on the wheel, as well as participating in our Sewgo challenge at the end of every month. Thanks, and until next time, this is Juanita Sonista. Have a great, great weekend. Bye-bye.